Are you someone who's applying to hundreds of jobs but not hearing back? It can be exhausting, right? You're not alone. So many people are feeling this right now. If this sounds familiar, stick around because I'm about to share 7 game changing strategies to save your time and dramatically increase your chances of landing that dream job. Hey everyone, I'm Kritika, and today we're going to talk about job search strategies that are designed for 2024, not 2004. If you're stuck in the job hunt or just want an edge over the competition, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with optimizing your resume. It's your first impression, so it better be a good one, right? 97.4% of Fortune 500 companies use an ATS or applicant tracking software, which means that your resume has to be optimized to get past the bots before a human even sees it. The software looks for certain keywords in the resume and requires a clean, readable format. If they're not present, the software could reject the candidate. Also, you don't need just one resume, you require multiple tailored resumes. Every job application should have its own resume version highlighting different skills and keywords. Wondering how you can make your resume ATS friendly? Get past the ATS by customizing your resume for each job. Include relevant skills and experience that are mentioned in the job description using the same keywords that they do. Use a clear and ATS friendly format with simple fonts. Avoid fancy layouts and stick to the standard headings. I've mentioned some ATS friendly resume templates that can help you land your dream job in the description below. Go grab your free copy. Not all job boards are created equal. Instead of throwing your resume at every listing on LinkedIn, Indeed, or Naukri, get smart. Focus on niche job boards in your industry. If you're a techie, why not check out jobs on Stack Overflow Jobs or Wellfound? If you're a designer, try Behance or Dribbble. Don't forget to set job alerts on platforms like LinkedIn or Google Jobs. The earlier you apply, the better your chances. So being one of the first applicants can make all the difference. AI is all around us. Still, so many people are unaware about how to use it effectively for their job search. AI can be a personal assistant that can help you write customized cover letters, follow-up emails, or even help you prep for job interviews. Tools like Claude, ChatGPT, or its plugins can help you do exactly that. Here are a few prompts that you can try. If you're going for resume customization, why don't you try? You're an expert job consultant. I'm struggling with highlighting my skills for a specific job title and industry name. Can you help me tailor my resume to showcase my experience in relevant experience or area of expertise and specific skills? I need this to be ATS friendly and impactful for recruiters. If you're trying to create a cover letter, try this one. You're an expert job search consultant. I am applying for job title at company name and need a cover letter that showcases my strengths in key strengths and my passion for industry or company mission. Can you write one that captures my enthusiasm and experience? Here's one that you can try if you're preparing for an interview. I have an upcoming interview for job title at company name. Can you provide common interview questions and tailored responses focusing on skills like relevant skills and experiences in relevant experiences? Make sure it's specific to this role. And last but not least, if you're trying to network with someone online, why don't you try this one? You're an expert career coach. I am looking to expand my network in industry name. Could you help me draft a LinkedIn message to introduce myself to industry professionals and seek advice on entering the field? Networking accounts for about 85% of job placements, and yet it's one of the most underutilized tools. Let's talk about networking both online and offline. For instance, there's LinkedIn. It's more than just about connecting with people. Engage with posts, DM industry professionals, and join groups. If you're feeling nervous about sending out cold DMs, why don't you try out platforms like Lunch Club or Coffee Mug? These platforms are great for warm networking introductions. Offline, attend job fairs, industry events, or tech meetups like HasGeek and Shut Up and Build. And always have a 30-second elevator pitch ready. You never know when a casual chat can turn into a job lead. And after you've built a connection with someone, don't forget to follow up. You can do so by sending a simple message such as, "Hi, It was great to meet you at Event Name. Let's stay in touch. Communities can be a goldmine for job leads. Reddit, Discord, and Slack all have channels where professionals share insider tips, leads, and even direct contacts at companies. Joining communities can give you an edge. Don't forget proactive outreach. Many companies don't list all their open positions. Tools like Clearbit Connect or Hunter can help you trace recruiter emails and directly approach them. Cold outreach can feel a bit awkward at first, but when you show a genuine interest in their company and how your skills can align with their future, it can pay off big time. 34% of job seekers report not hearing back for over 60 days after applying. That's frustrating, right? In such scenarios, following up can be the key to getting you noticed. Candidates who follow up within 3 to 5 days after submitting their application are more likely to get a response. Here's a simple follow-up plan for you that you can try. After 3 days, send a short professional message to the recruiter or hiring manager. Hi name, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to follow up on my application for job title at company and express my continued interest. Looking forward to hearing from you. After 7 days, if there is no response, follow up again. This time, adding value. Hi name, I'd love to share a recent project that demonstrates my skills in relevant area. After 14 days, try one final follow-up. Thank them for considering your application and let them know that you're still interested. Let's talk a little bit about why the traditional job search process feels so broken. Relying solely on job portals can make it tough to stand out. You may be competing with hundreds or thousands of applicants for the same role. Let's talk about 4 ways to bypass this. First up is referrals. The most effective way to get hired is through referrals. If you don't have a strong network, join online communities in your industry and start building connections. The second method is cold outreach. Reach out to hiring managers or potential teammates. And if you want to go a step further, create a 60-second video about why you are the perfect fit for the role. The third way is to upskill through bootcamps. Not only do they sharpen your skills, but many of them also have connections directly with recruiters. Last but not least, build a strong personal brand. LinkedIn, Twitter, or even a portfolio website can help you showcase your work. When you establish yourself online, you'll start attracting opportunities instead of always chasing them. I hope that these strategies can help you find your next big opportunity. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who is job hunting. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable career advice. Go get that job. Thanks for watching.